In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in Grok Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open an image inside a Grok chat, tell Grok what to add, and let it place that element right where you want it. First, head to grok.com and open Grok in your browser. Once you're in, open a new chat if you'd like a fresh workspace, or switch to any existing chat where you're already working. Either option is fine. The feature works the same way in both places. Now make sure the image you want to work with is open inside your chat. You should be able to see it clearly in the conversation area before moving on. If it's visible there, you're set. This simply confirms that Grok is looking at the correct picture when you give it instructions. Next, tap or click the image. This brings the picture into focus and gets Grok ready to accept your edit request. You'll see a field or prompt area labeled something like "Describe your edits." That's your command center. Think of this as the place where you tell Grok, in plain language, exactly what you want added to the image. Type your instruction clearly. The more specific you are, the better Grok can place the new element, include what you want inserted, where it should go, and any helpful details like size, style, or mood. Then spell out what you want Grok to do in a direct, action-focused way so there's no ambiguity. For example, you could write a standing goddess in the middle of this picture. That short instruction includes the subject and the placement, which is often enough for a quick test. You can always refine with extra detail later, such as soft golden lighting, small scale, or in front of the background tree if you need more control. After you submit your instruction, Grok will begin generating the edit. In many cases, it feels instant, but give it a moment to process, especially with larger images or more complex additions. You'll typically see a progress indicator or a brief pause while it works. Finally, wait until the image is inserted and the updated result appears in your chat. Once it shows up, review the placement and look. If it's not quite right, simply repeat the process with a clearer instruction, adjusting the subject, location, or style to nudge the result toward what you want. And that's it. Open Grok, bring your image into the chat, tap it, describe your edits, type the instruction, and let Grok insert the element for you.